Welcome back to the Global Megabuilds. Barcelona is living through a special moment. The team's recent triumph in La Liga brought joy, but something far greater is happening away from the pitch. The legendary Camp Nou, the temple of football, is being reborn. Every morning, cranes rise above the skyline. Concrete is poured, and steel structures climb higher, shaping the future home of Barca. This isn't just construction, it's the return of history, the promise of louder chants, and the dream of a stadium unlike any other in the world. Let's start with the third tier. In recent days, crews poured large concrete slabs that will form the base for the new seating. It's tempting to call them just slabs, but they are the literal foundation of future memories. Under the sun and long shifts, teams shape and secure each panel with care, because soon thousands will sit here and sing. From above, the stadium already looks different. The third tier's volume and contours are taking shape, and the scale of what's coming is clear. At the north and south ends, the work is equally impressive. Prefabricated panels and steel frames are being slotted into place, piece by piece, like a huge three-dimensional puzzle. Each crane lift and every weld strengthens the skeleton of the arena. What once felt like an empty shell is becoming a connected structure that will hold the terraces and sightlines fans expect. The main tribune has moved into a decisive stage engineers call Phase 2.5. Heavy beams and formwork are being installed to form the backbone for the upper levels. The pace here is steady. Crews coordinate lifts, check levels, and secure connections with care. This is where the stadium's silhouette starts to return. Watching the tribune rise is like seeing the club's identity come back, layer by layer. Near the tribune, the VIP rings are also rising quickly. Reinforced concrete walls are going up, defining future lounges and premium seating. It may sound like a detail, but it matters. Modern comfort will sit alongside the stadium's heritage, not replace it. Outside the stadium, the new parking structure is one of the busiest zones. Reinforcement cages are tied, pillars are being cast, and ramps are being linked across levels. It may not look glamorous, but this infrastructure is essential. Tens of thousands of fans will use these spaces on match days, and the work here is building the first welcome back to Camp Nou. Walk the site, and you can feel the momentum. Scaffolds and safety nets, cranes swinging materials, small crews finishing staircases and access routes. Each team has a job, and every job matters. Their steady work gives the project a pulse, a shared purpose that moves everything forward. Every crane movement and every late shift matters. There are small victories every week. A super pillar finished, a set of panels locked in place, inspections passed. Those little wins add up and remind us this project is driven by steady effort and quiet pride. Step by step, the Spotify Camp Nou is being reborn. Empty spaces are filling with structure and sound, and the dream of returning home grows stronger each week. When the stadium reopens, it will bring back not just matches, but nights full of atmosphere and the revenue the club needs. For now, we watch, appreciate the work, and wait for the day when the roar from these stands returns to the city. The journey of the new Camp Nou has only just begun, and we'll be here to share every milestone with you. So if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected with us for all the latest progress.